How are you? You good? This is me. So in today's lesson, we're gonna to discuss about types of file management system and the difference between file and the folder. So I said, what is the difference between four file difference ምንድነው ብዬ እኔ በኔ በኩል ይዤዋለሁ እናንተም እንግዲህ what is the difference between four file ብላችሁ ያዙልኝ ማለት ነው። So in previous lesson we discuss about what? We discuss about the definition of computer. Computer is a programmable machine that cannot do anything by itself. That means computer is a full of software and a program. It cannot do anything. It didn't cover anything by itself. It didn't move anything by itself. It's what? It's expecting the software. It's what? It's looking for someone who give an instruction to him. So software is a computer is a full of programs that cannot work anything by itself. And also we discuss about computer is electronic machine that can input, process, output, and the data by itself. When you say input, mouse and the keyboard, they play a great role on inputting file. When we say a process is a general term that include different kinds of tasks. This is going to be done by CPU. Output is done by what? By screen. So let us pass into our today's topic. So in today's topic, we are learning about what? The types of what? The types of file management system. The core point, the very, very, very important point right now in this century is to perfectly knowing about file management. I want to advise each and every viewer who are watching this video, you should have to know about file management. This is a must, by the way. Okay, so how many types of file management is there? There are two file management is there. The first one is traditional file management and the second one is modern file management system. Before 2 or 3 decades, each and every people and also an organization, they store their file by the use of filing cabinet. Or before the invention and before the updates of the computer system, each and every organization like bank, insurance, hospital, civil service, and so on, such kinds of organization and some peoples, okay, those who have an access for computers, they are saving the file, they are storing the file, they are keeping the file by the use of filing cabinet. What is filing a cabinet by it means? So when you say cabinet means is the one who have an ability to hold something. So cabinet is this one. Filling means filling or feeding something into others. So there is a holder, there is the actual things you should have to put in. So filling cabinet ስንል cabinet ማለት መያዣው ነው የኔ ወደ ተማሪዎች መያዣው filling ደግሞ feeding ወይንም entering a file into the cabinet ማለት ነው ልክ ቢሮ ላይ ያለ እንትን ውስጥ የሚቀመጥ የለም ልክ እሱ ፊሊንግ ካቢኔት ብለን እንጣውለን we can call it filling cabinet so but the thing is that they store their file and somehow they are keeping their file like that. It's good, but the thing is that it takes too much time. Through sorting of it, through accessing of it, through looking of it, through arranging and adjusting of it, it takes too much time, and also it takes too much effort. Assume that this is one class and you are keeping your file here, and after 2 months this class is enough to what? It don't have an ability to accept or to hold another kind of file, so you are looking for another building, so if you are looking another building, you are paying too much. It's not affordable, my brother. It takes too much time. You are moving your file into another building, it is hard to access. Anyway, the system is complicated. In what? In cultural or in traditional file management system. But right now, in this year, nowadays, each and every people, in addition to an organization, they are saving the file by the use of the computer. So in what sense, in what means does the computer save your file? It save or it store your file by the use of what? Folder. That folder can group and organize together different kinds of file. ፊል ይደረጋል ቀደም ብለን ያወራነው ፋይል ነው ማለት ነው እዚህ ጋር the thing that we talk in traditional file going to be filled is called to be what? File. You see that? So modern types of file management system is simple. It is easy to access, and the interface, it seems also good, huh? Because you are looking the document, but looking the computer, it seems good, huh? That's better, huh? And it take less effort. It take less time. It is the system is easy to access, to find, to store in what? In modern file management system. Okay, here we go. So which one is preferable? Which one is advisable? The modern one or the traditional one? I'm sure you can say what? The modern one, huh? Because it is easy, it didn't take too much time, it didn't take too much effort. That's why the modern one is what? The modern one is easy. So now let us dive into the difference between file and the folder. What is the difference between file and the folder? It's better to remind you what we discussed in previous lesson about data and information. Huh? This is lesson 3. ICT text. It is taken from ICT textbook grade 10. Thank you for coming, all of you. I have big live and a big space for all of you. Please show your love for this YouTube channel, subscribe and like, and drop a comment on this video. The thing you discussed in previous lesson is data and information. What is data? Data is the raw collection of facts and the figures. When the thing comes in nature, we can call it data. But when the thing have some kinds of process, we can call it information. That means information is a processed form of data. Data is a collection of raw fact and the figures. You see? Now let us see what is file and the folder. You see, folder is a container, like a holder that can hold different kinds of files. 2 or more files can be contained in what? In one folder. Or sometimes it can hold a folder by itself. Because folder by itself have what? Have a different level. Different kinds of level in there in folder. When we come into the file is a collection of data and the information. So I already mentioned the data and the information. Huh? So what is file? Is a collection, is a group of data and information. What is folder? Folder is a container. It can contain, it have an ability to contain what? 2 or more files, and sometimes it can hold a folder. Am I right? You can put one folder into another. Huh? That is called what? Folder. And also file. And the second one, folder didn't actually contain data. That means folder cannot have a direct interaction with data and information. When we come into the file is actual contents, actual things, actual files, means actual things you are searching for is called what? File, huh? So data and information are members or substance of what? Substance of what? File. Am I clear? Data and information are substance of file. These data and information are not direct contact with the folder, but they have indirect contact. Simply, let we assume our folder is hydrogen. No, our folder is water compound. Assume that our file is hydrogen and oxygen. You see that? Our file is who? Hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen and oxygen, they have their own molecules and they have their own what? They have their own chemical reaction, huh? Ability to react in chemicals, huh? So assume that is as a data and information. The compound one is called what? A folder. Am I clear with you? So folder didn't have the actual didn't have the direct contact with what? With hydrogen and oxygen. They are separated. First of all, they are separated. When they come into together, they called to be what? Compound, called hydrogens, okay? Is it clear for you? Is it clear for you? You see that? The compound one, hydrogen, is what? Is a folder. But the hydrogen and the oxygen, indifferently, separately, they can be called as a what? As a file. And when they come together, they called to be what? A folder. Is it clear for you? So let me give an example for what? For folder and the file. For folder, the first one is what? Music. Music, example of a folder. Document also is example of a folder. But when we come into the file, when we say music is a folder, can you give me a file for a folder, for our folder called music? Song.mp3. You can call it any kind of example, okay? When you say document, You can call it what? You can call school.txt. School.doc. Because it's document types. Huh? Is everything is right? Am I clear with you? እሺ ይሄን ያወራነውን ነገር 2 ደቂቃ በአማርኛ ላውራ። Let me translate this thing, whole these things in Amharic. Sorry, because of what? Because presenting each and everything, explaining each and everything in English is good. That's why. Okay. Sorry for that. Okay. Anyway, ዛሬ ያወራነው ትራዲሽናል እና ሞደርን ፋይል ማናጅመንትን እያወራን ነው። ትራዲሽናል ፋይል ማናጅመንት የኔ ውድ ተማሪዎች ፋይልን ሴቭ የሚያደርገው ፊሊንግ ካቢኔት በሚባል ዕቃ ነው። በሱ ነው የሚሰበሰበው ፋይል። ይሄ ፊሊንግ ካቢኔት ስደረድሩትና ስታስቀምጡት ብላችሁም ደግሞ እየበዛ ሲመጣ አንዱ ቤቱ ሞልቶ ሌላ ቤት ትቀይራላችሁ። ብዙ ሰዓት ይወስዳል፣ ብዙ ጉልበት ይወስዳል፣ በጣም ብዙ ነገር ያባክናል። ማን ፊሊንግ ካቢኔት ይባላል። ትራዲሽናል ሲስተሙ የሚጠቀመው ፊሊንግ ፋይል ማናጅመንት እየተማርን ነው። ሌሰን 3 ነው ይሄ። ሌሰን 3 አይቲ ቴክስት ቡክ ላይ የተወሰደ ያለ ነው። ፋይል ማናጅመንት ሌሰን 3 ላይ ያለ ነው። ስለዚህ ሌሰን 4 ደግሞ ቀጣይ ፖስት ለማድረግ ተከታተሉ ዩቲዩብ ቻናል። ሶ ይሄ ትራዲሽናል ነው። ብዙ ሰዓት ይወስዳል፣ ብዙ ጉልበት ይወስዳል። አፎርደብልም አይደለም። ለሁለት ቤት የምትጠቀመውን ፋይል አንተ በአንድ ኮምፒውተር ሃርድ ዲስክ 1 ቴራባይት ገዝተህ መዝጋትና መጠቀም ትችላለህ። ምክንያቱም አንድ ቤት አንተ 20 ሺህ ብትከራይ ሁለተኛውን ቤት 40 ሺህ ነው የምትከራየው። 40 ሺህ ብር ተከራይተህ የምትሰራበትን አንድ ኮምፒውተር አጠገብ አስቀምጠህ አንድ ሩም ተከራይተህ በ10 ሺህ ብር ኮስት ሚኒማይዝ አድርገህ እሱንም በማለት ይችላል መስራት ትችላለህ። ስለዚህ ትራዲሽናል ፋይል ማናጅመንቱ it take too much time, but the modern one it take what? Less time, less effort, and the system is too easy. You can access it. Okay, simply you can access it. Do you understand me? Okay, አሁን ስለ ሞደርንና ትራዲሽናል ፋይል ማኔጅመንት ካወራን ፎልደር እና ፋይል ልዩነቱ ምንድነው? ፎልደር ማለት አቃፊ ማለት ነው። ፋይል ማለት ደግሞ የታቀፈው ማለት ነው። በቃ አለቀ። ፎልደር አቃፊው፣ ፋይል ታቃፊው። እሺ ለምሳሌ ደግሞ በእናንተ በሌላ አማርኛ ነስጣችሁ ሁለት ነገሮች ይደመሩና አንድ ነገር ይሰጣሉ። ሁለት ነገሮች ይደመሩና አንድ ነገር ይሰጣሉ። ሃይድሮጅን እና ኦክሲጅን ይደመርና እዚህ ጋር ወተር የሚባል ፎልደር ይሰጣል። ደን ስለዚህ ሃይድሮጅን እና ኦክሲጅን ማን ውስጥ ይገኛሉ? ማን ፎልደር ውስጥ ይገኛሉ። ፎልደር ተብሎ አንድ ስም አገኘ። ማን ነው? ኮምፓውንድ ተብሎ የተገኘው ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ይሄ ፎልደር 2 ፋይል እና 3 ፋይል በውስጡ ይዛል። እናም ደግሞ ሌላ ፎልደርን በውስጡ መያዝ ይችላል። ፋይል ስንል ግን the collection of data and information ምንለው አክቹዋል ኮንተንታችን ነው ፋይል ማለት ቴክስት፣ ኢሜጅ፣ ቪዲዮ ምናምን። ፎልደር ግን ስንል አቃፊ ብለን የምንጠራው ነው። ፎልደር ቀጥታ ግንኙነት ከዳታና ከኢንፎርሜሽን ጋር ያለው ከፋይል ጋር እንጂ ምክንያቱም ዳታና ኢንፎርሜሽን ተሰብስቦ ፋይል ተብሎ እስኪጠሩ ድረስ እስካለው ማለት ነው። ሙዚክ ለሚባል ፎልደር ፋይል ስሰጠው .mp3 የሚባል ነገር ይኖረዋል ማለት ነው። ሶንግ mp3 ምክንያቱም ሙዚክ ፎልደር ነው። ሙዚክ የሚባል ፎልደር ነው። ሶሪ song.mp3 ደግሞ ምንድነው? ሙዚክ ነው ማለት። ስለዚህ ይሄንን የራሱ የሆነ ምሳሌ ሊኖር። ስለዚህ ፎልደር እና ፋይል በምን ይለያያሉ? ኦንዜር ላይ አሁን ፎልደሩ የተለያየ ሌቭል ይኖራል። ፎልደር ስንል የተለያየ ሌቭል አለ። ከፍተኛ ቦታ ያለ፣ ዝቅ ያለ የሚመጣ ምናምን ብዙ አይነት ፎልደር አለ አይደለ? ለምሳሌ ሲ ስንል ከትልቁ ፎልደር ነው። ከሲ ደግሞ ስንመጣ ዩዘር አለ። ከዛ ደግሞ ስኩል፣ ከስኩል ደግሞ ግሬድ 10፣ ከግሬድ 10 ደግሞ 10ኤ፣ ከ10ኤ ደግሞ ምናምን እያለ ስንከፋፍለው ምን ይላል? ፎልደራችን እያነሰ። ስለዚህ ሌቭል አላቸው፣ ደረጃ አላቸው። ግሬድ 10 ስትል ሌቭል አፕ አርጋል። ግሬድ 11 ስትል ሌቭል አፕ አርጋል። ግሬድ 12 ስትል ሌቭል አፕ አርጋል። ግሬድ 12 ብለህ ደግሞ ግሬድ 11 ስትል ሌቭል ዳውን። ግሬድ 10 ሌቭል ዳውን፣ ግሬድ 9 ሌቭል ዳውን። ሌቭል አላቸው፣ ሴክሽን አላቸው። እሺ አሁን ይሄ ሌቭል የምንለውን ነገር ባጭሩ ልንገራችሁ። ባጭሩ እናንተ ስንት አክስት አላችሁ አይደለ? አጎት አላችሁ አይደለ? የላችሁም? ስንት አጎት አላችሁ? 4 5 አጎታ አንድም ያለው ይኖራል። በርግጥ 4 5 አጎት ያላችሁ ልጆች አንደኛው አጎታችሁ ቤታችሁ ይመጣል አይመጣም? ከነም ባይመጣል አይደል? ከነም አታገኙት። ሁሌ ማጠይቁት ማታናገሩት ምናምን የለም። እሺ ሁሌ ደግሞ የሚመጣ የለም? በየ2 ቀኑ በየ3 ቀኑ በቃ ሁሌ የሚደውልልህ ምናምን የሚሸልምህ በርታ የሚልህ የሚያበረታታ የሚመክርህ ምናምን የለም? በደንብ ነው ያለው አይደለ? በወር አንዴ በ2 ወር አንዴ ምናምን በ3 ወር አንዴ የሚመጣ የለም? አለ። ስለዚህ የሆነ አጎትህ ሁሌ አለ ካንተ ጋር ይቀርብሃል። ቅርብ ነው ላንተ ልብ ላይ ከፍ ያለ ደረጃ ያለው ሶስቱ ነው። የሆነ አጎትህ ደግሞ በወር አንዴ ነው የሚመጣው። ትንሽ ደግሞ ተቀነስ አረክ። የሆነ አጎትህ ደግሞ በአመት አንዴ ይባል ቀን ነው የሚመጣው። የሆነ አጎትህ ደግሞ ጭራሽ አይመጣም። ልክ ይሄ ሌቭል አፕ ሌቭል ዳውን የምንለው ይሄ ልክ እንደ አጎቶቻችን ቤታችን ይመጣሉ አይመጡም ከሚለው ጋር ምሳሌ መያዝ ትችላላችሁ። አይ ቲንክ ያወራነው ነገር በጣም ግልጽ ይመስለኛል። እናንተ የነገው አነስታይን እንኳን ወደዚህ ዩቲዩብ ቻናል በደህና መጣችሁ። ይህን ዩቲዩብ ቻናል ሰብስክራይብ አድርጉ። ተማሪ ለማገዝ ብቻ አስቤ ነው። ዝም ብለን የምንችለውን ነገር ብንነግራችሁ ችግር የለውም፣ እንማማራለን ብዙ ነገር። እኔ እድሉን አግኝቼ እያወራው ነው። እናንተ እድል ስታገኙ ብዙ የምታስተምሩኝ ነገር አለ። ስለዚህ እንማማር እያልኩኝ እንደዚህ አይነት ቪዲዮዎችን ፖስት እያደረግኩ ነው። አግዙኝ። ድጋፍ ይፈልጋል የዩቲዩብ ቻናል። ቴንክ ዩ ቬሪ ማች። ቀናችሁ የተባረከ ይሁን። ቻው